Is AppStation really a great and easy way to make money by playing small games, or is it a complete waste of time? My name's Michael and I have joined to test this app here, and in this AppStation review I will give you an inside look and show exactly how it works, and I will also show you payment proof because I actually managed to get paid just 2 minutes after joining this app here. That does not necessarily mean that it will be worth it in the long run, but I will go over all the details about this so you can find out if you should join or not. So before I log in and show you how AppStation works, let's go over who can potentially use it, because you can join from more or less all countries. They do not have a list of the exact countries, but from what I have been able to find out, it is available in a lot of countries. But you can only use it on Android devices as of recording this video here. So you have to go to Google Play and then download it, and later I will explain how to do that so you get the most out of it, because you can get a bonus if you join through an invitation link, but more about that later. For now, you just need to be aware that you can only use it for Android devices. So if you want to earn by using an iPhone or an iOS device in general, then this is not for you, but then I will leave a link in the top corner here to a video I have about ways to earn on your iPhone instead. But let's now then take an inside look so you can see exactly what it offers and if it is worth your time. So I have now logged into AppStation here on my phone and pulled it up on the screen so you can see also what's going on here. So once you're inside, it's actually really simple to use, because you just go here to the tab here called Featured, and here you have different games, and all you then need to do here is to click play and collect, and you will be taken to the Google Play Store, where you then have to download one of these games here. Just one note that I noticed when I first signed up, there was actually only one game I could download here. But after I had actually downloaded that and started to play it, more became available here. So even if you just see one, even if you think that is not a game I want to play, then it can be a good idea to just at least download it still, and then often you will get access to more. So which games you will see here on this screen will vary from time to time. So one thing you need to pay attention to here is, as you can see, there's something that says coins per minute here. And this is how many coins you will earn per minute you play this game here. And later I will go into how much these coins are actually worth. But what you also need to be aware of is that this is the coins per minute you will get when you first start playing this game here. It will keep going down. So in the beginning, you will see a notification pop up every minute that you've earned this many coins, but then it will start going down. So you have to play maybe 2 minutes or 5 minutes, and then eventually 10 or 15 minutes to get some coins. The number will also change, so it will be maybe more coins than in this case here where you can see 169, but then you will also have to play longer. So the value you get per minute will keep going down, and that's important to understand. So to get the most out of it, you would need to keep trying new games, and that's also the point here, because they get paid to promote these different games. So of course they would like you to also keep using different games. But once you have then downloaded them, one thing that is very important is that you need to go to this My Apps here, and then here you can see the games that you have downloaded, and you need to access it here. So I would just need to click this here, and then the game would open up, and I should not just open it on my phone. I need to go through AppStation here to make sure that they can track how many minutes I play so I can get my rewards. So that's very important to make sure of. And here you can see the stats, how long I then need to actually play. You can see here I need to play another 105 seconds to then get 581 coins. And once I have reached that, then I will get a notification, and then also I will see how long I would need to play to get the next number of coins here. Also, as you can see, right now I've actually only played this game here for 2 minutes and 24 seconds. And the reason I have not played longer is that this is how long it took me to earn enough to actually get paid. And I wanted to make sure that I actually would get paid before I would invest any more time here. And then I also left it at that because I wanted to prove to you how quickly I actually could get paid here. And we'll get to that when we go over the payout methods in just a few seconds. But this is a great place here. You can just see all the games you've downloaded here. You have to access them here and then just play the games as you usually would. And then you will see the coins going into your account up here. Actually, you can also sometimes earn just by having the game open on your phone. I have found it's not something I necessarily recommend you do in the long run, because they of course are interested in you playing the games, so I cannot guarantee that they will not then ban you or anything like that. But I've just noticed that even if you take a small break, if you leave the phone for a few minutes while doing something else, it actually will keep counting also as minutes that you're playing, which is also kind of cool, but just don't abuse it, of course. But let's also go over one more way where you can actually potentially earn here, and then we get to the payout methods and also the payment proof I want to show you. So inside here, you can also see there's a tab called Invite here, and you can invite other people to join. And then you will receive 25% of all the coins your friend earns. That does not mean that you will get 25% of their coins. They will still get the same amount. This is something that AppStation will pay you as a thank you for inviting others. But the great thing is that the friend that you invite will also get a bonus of 25% of all coins that you earn. And that is why, as I mentioned earlier, you can actually get a lot out of joining through an invitation link. Personally, I am not planning to use AppStation a lot because of the reasons I will explain later. But if you decide to join, I am already a member, and you can join through my invitation link, because that means that you will also get bonuses. And I will leave a link below this video here, so you can go and find that invitation link if you decide that you actually want to give this app a go. And other than that, you can also invite other people to join if you find AppStation is actually a really good option and you know some people that might also be interested in it, then both of you can earn that way also. But let's now go over the payout method and the payout proof also. But before going over that, I would appreciate if you could just take 1 second to like this video here, because it can help it to be seen by more people. So to talk about the payout methods and the payment proof, I have just jumped to my inbox here, because let's just start by showing the payment proof. I have received a payout from AppStation. Here you can see AppStation, you have a payout, and I received 0.43 euros here. So it's around 50 cents I actually received. So it has a very low payout threshold, meaning that you do not have to earn a lot before you can get paid. I want to make it clear that the exact payout threshold can vary from country to country, but in general it is very low and it is very easy to reach. As you could see when I showed you inside, I had only played for around 2 minutes, and then I was actually able to get out 50 cents. And the reason for that is that you get a joining bonus when you first join of around 4,500 coins. And where I live, at least, the payout threshold is just below 5,000 coins. So I just had to actually play a couple of minutes to earn enough to actually be able to cash out. And I think that's definitely the strength of AppStation, because then you can also right away make sure that you actually will get paid. And that's why I got my money out as quickly as I could, because I wanted to check if it actually really paid. But from this payout proof, I can also see here the company that paid me. And here I can also see that it's actually the same company that has another app that I've done a review of here called Cash Mall. I will leave a link in the top corner here if you want to learn more about that. And it actually offers more or less the same, but it is apparently also the same company behind. So that's also just something to be aware of. If you use one of them and you like it, then you will likely also like the other app, because they are very similar. And as you can see here, it is actually the same company behind. But as you can see, I got paid via PayPal, but it also offers different gift cards. The exact gift cards you can get paid via depends on the country you live in. It will be gift cards that are relevant for your specific country. But you also need to be aware that to actually get paid, you need to do this facial recognition, which I find a little bit strange actually, but when I chose to get paid, I had to use my phone to take a couple of images of my face, and they did this facial recognitions for verification of my account to avoid fraud. I'm not sure exactly how it works, and I felt a little bit uncomfortable doing it, to be honest, but I still decided to do it to test what would happen, and I did get paid. But you just need to be aware of that. If you do not feel comfortable about something like that, then you should not use AppStation. AppStation because it is a requirement to get paid, and you might as well be aware of that before you start investing a lot of time playing, and then you find out later that you actually do not want to fulfill the requirements that they want you to do to get paid. So as you can see, AppStation actually does pay. It is an app you can use to earn by playing small games, and it definitely is very easy and simple to use, and I really do like that they have a low payout threshold and you can very quickly earn enough to get paid, especially the first time you join. But you do need to do it with the right expectations. The number of coins per minute keep going down, so eventually it will take a lot of patience to earn any big money here. So I would say if your main goal is to earn as effectively as possible online, then it's not necessarily a good option, because it will just keep being lower and lower the earnings you get per minute, and it will just take a lot of your time to play here to earn enough to actually get some good money out of it. But if you really do like exploring new games, and if you like playing games on your phone, then why not earn a little bit at the same time? You just need to be aware that many of the games they promote are games that will encourage you to invest money or to buy different things. So if you get tempted by that and start spending money there, then of course you will actually not get a profit but a minus instead. So that's just something to be aware of. So be careful if you download games that encourage you to do that, that you do not carry it away, because then you will actually not get an overall profit if that's what you're going for. But I hope this video and review here help you figure out exactly how it works and if it is for you. And if you do want to join, I will leave a link below here where you can find more information and where you can find this invitation link, so you will also get a bonus when you join. And also, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online.